This is a 1964 Dodge 440 four-door sedan. And the color here I do believe is a turquoise with a matching interior. As you see, it has a bench seat. Looks like everything's original here. Original and unrestored, but in really good shape. And notice on the left there are push buttons for the Turq Flight automatic. This will be the last year for that. And those vents you see at the top of the dash indicate the car has air conditioning, original air conditioning. Notice the bowling pin there on the driver's seat, and we have coffee cups here on the hood, which suggests to me that this owner may in fact do pinstriping and painting of objects like the bowling pin and the coffee cups, and so that may indicate a hobby and maybe a very profitable one. Now this is a typical car that Americans drove. Not everybody drove hardtops and convertibles. Very serviceable, very durable. Squared off lines. And a big trunk.